I love starting videos without you really noticing. Just kind of waiting for you to start.
Oh, well, appreciate it.
You're welcome. You got great smell over your new Jed North.
I mean, it looks cool. Looks like I was doing some heavy deadlifts. Get some chalk on my hands.
Sure.
What's up, guys? So we are about to go do some nuclei overload because we're gonna hit the gym tonight. We're doing some, well, not heavy leg training, but Brandon's gonna be there tonight and he's gonna train heavy legs. So that's gonna be motivation enough for me to go heavier on my legs. So I'm super pumped about that. But then we're gonna proceed with our full body training, which is actually going really good, man. My appetite has been through the roof this week. It's been crazy, but I feel lean, dude. Like I feel even right now, I feel pretty lean. And my lower abs are starting to pop back in again too, so it's good. But I got some even better news than my lower abs. Check this.
Is it your Christmas tree still up?
My Christmas tree was put away 2 weeks ago.
That's true.
You guys kept asking me in my stories. That is Erica's Christmas tree. She is responsible for taking it down. I did my part.
So good. Couldn't help myself. Where are we going?
Garage 1.
Garage 1. Instead of garage 2.
So this is the last week. Jane will be out of commission.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, baby.
I'm starting to get worried.
Can you see in here? See that big empty hole right there? And, you know, clearly there's something missing that all these tubes go to.
Just as big as the one in your heart.
Yeah, exactly. Since Jane's been out. But my radiator was under warranty because I only bought it 3 years ago. So I have a brand new radiator coming. It's getting it was already shipped to me. Should be here tomorrow or the day after. Which means baby girl's gonna be back on the road.
Thank God.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I almost quit.
You guys probably don't realize this. Let's show them, because you guys know my gym's in my house. But let's show, like, because we have the gym open right now. Check this out.
Still nice and cool up.
Right? Ta-da! Workout time!
Nice and easy.
Right? Pretty sweet, guys, right? So it's really nice outside, and we can keep the door open, which I really like to do. Sometimes in here, I mean, it's pretty big, but I feel trapped with the door closed all the time and the shades closed. But when I can open the door and the fresh air in, it's great. So for the Nuclei Overload Training, I've been able to keep both of these barbells set up on my rack. I got my weights up here for my standing barbell calf raises, and then down here, this is what I'm using for my power shrugs. And so it's made it very easy for me to just come in here, get my Nuclei Overload done. It takes me like 30 minutes max. And I literally just come in, pull the bar out, I hit my power shrugs, I step over, I do my calf raises, I rest for like 30 seconds, maybe 60 seconds max, and then I just repeat, 10 sets of 10, done. So we're gonna do that right now, and then some other crap, and then head to the gym.
You.
For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hay. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want to act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to make no time to waste. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence, I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I had to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper, cash.
What are we doing at Walgreens?
Oh, I gotta pick up some deodorant. It's those sour strips.
Yes.
I eat a whole bag and then I'm like, oh. But it's kind of cool. It's like, what are those things they use when they deadlift?
Oh, the sniffing salts?
Yeah, it's kind of like sniffing salt. Like, oh!
Do we have deadlifts today?
We can.
Perfect.
In that case, maybe I'll just buy it and won't put it on.
Exactly. What card do you have picked up?
So I just remembered Valentine's Day is coming up because we had to walk through this aisle. I found the perfect card that kind of goes along with why we're here. In case I haven't been showering enough, signs that I love you.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Oh, wow.
It's like a fancy card. No.
I don't think the inside matched the front.
Yeah, it really doesn't.
I was expecting like some funny stuff to be in there.
Oh. Did you find it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
This one looks good.
Nice. All right.
All right, we're
Let's
good.
go to the gym.
That's it.
Okay, so you actually bought it.
Yeah, of course I wasn't gonna put it back. This is gonna be car deodorant. Goes in the armrest in the car.
Armrest in the car.
Armrest in the car. You're getting good.
I'm getting there.
You're getting there.
Honestly, I think I've edited enough to.
Dude, I tell you what. You know, people always they're like, they're like, oh, you think you're gonna lose your accent now that you live in Florida? No, pretty much everybody else is talking like me. I'm influencing.
You've invented your own Boston
They'd be like,
culture.
how come everybody in Orlando has a Boston accent?
Yeah, Winter Garden. I can't actually say Winter Garden anymore.
Yeah, you can't.
I
You never
physically
say
can't. It's Winter Garden. All right.
Jed North.
No. Wait, are you serious?
Got some stuff for you boys.
Aw.
Yeah, man, I ordered you guys some stuff. This might fit you. It's extra small. That's not by accident.
Savage.
Savage.
Actually,
wear that.
I got one of those for Tariq. Hooking up my boys, man. Hook 'em
No,
up.
seriously. It's like Jed North Christmas.
Hell yeah,
What's the code for Jed North?
Yo, Scott 20, bro.
There we go.
Scott
Hey
20.
Tariq, what's the code again?
Scott 20, man,
Ah,
of course.
perfect. That's our promotion for the week.
Here we
Let's
go.
go home now.
Show up.
When my nipples blocking it off.
Looking good, Tariq.
Tariq is savage as.
We should do a comparison video to that first time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, look at
I'm
that little
sure I'm
shoulder
growing.
vein.
Yeah, dude, he's growing.
Shoulder
Tariq
vein
is
going
growing.
on. Ooh.
You know why? Cause he's savage.
Tariq, what's your phone number so I can put it on here?
911.
That's hard.
That was a pretty good full body workout today.
Oh yeah.
So you might notice that I didn't do too much stuff for legs today. Granted, I do the Nuclei Overload Training every day for calves, so calves are taken care of. But what I'll do, because I'm doing full body usually 5 times a week, as of right now, if I start to feel a little fatigued towards the end of the week, which today is actually a Friday that we're filming the actual video, what I'll try to do is place a bit more emphasis on upper body or lower body. So yesterday, I did a lot more legs, did extensions, I did curls, and I did some squats, where today, did a little more focus on the upper body, where I isolated biceps and triceps. So 5 sets of squats was all I needed. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you want to see more workout vlogs, please let us know by tapping that like button below. And as always, more good stuff coming soon. See you guys. All right, guys, you're starting to see the transformation. Guaranteed gains. And that link to download it for free, down below.
Down below, guys.
If you want to get freak like Tariq. Freaky like Tariqi.
Okay.
There's lots of fun things we can say. Download that link.
Look at that shoulder vein.
Yeah, dude, look at his back.
Look at that.
No,
Wow.
no, no.
Look at this.
My goodness.
Look at that.
Prodigy.
Look at that. Right there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good stuff.